So here is a simple recipe. I picked up the ingredients from a store called Aldi, and I'm using some of the fresh blueberries from my blueberry bushes that I've been growing this year. This is such a delicious pancake. I'm going to make just one. This is for my son, but I wanted to share the recipe with you so you can give it a try at home. So out in my garden, my blueberries have been doing very well this year. I've been covering them up with a mosquito net instead of a bird net to protect them from the birds. And so I have had blueberries growing out my ears. Now sometimes when I pick my blueberries, unfortunately I get some of those little sour ones in there, those little pink ones, and that's perfect for this recipe. So if you ever go to the store, or maybe you buy some blueberries and they're sour, put them in these pancakes because they turn out great. And so here are the ingredients. You can jot these down. They'll also be below the video if you'd like to print them out, but it's really very simple. So from Aldi, I'm using some of their pancake mix, and I'm using some real maple syrup along with some unsalted butter. You'll also need salt and water, but those are things most of us already have. And so of course I'm using the sour blueberries, and so we'll just get started by making our mix. This is really simple. You can follow the directions on the box if you want to make more than one pancake. I think I'm using about a half a cup of mix with about a third cup of water, maybe just shy of a third of a cup of water. And so just mix that up until everything is incorporated and looks nice and smooth. And now my skillet is on about medium heat, and I am going to melt my butter and add the salt. And I just like to put salt in here because it's a little bit different than using salted butter. So I like to add salt to unsalted butter for this recipe. It just turns out better, I think, that way. And so we want to melt this butter, and it should take about 2 minutes. You'll start to notice that it will foam up, and then it starts to turn brown and it has a nice nutty smell. And when you start to see it turn brown, you need to go ahead and remove it right then. Don't let it start to turn black because then it's burnt. So just let the little milk solids start to toast away there. They'll start to turn golden, and then pour off about a half a tablespoon of that butter into a little ramekin. And now we can go ahead and get it ready for our pancake mix. So just take your spatula and move everything into the center of your skillet. And you have to do this pretty quick. Like I said, this butter can start to burn. And now pour your pancake mix right there in the center, and this is going to fry the edges around that pancake and that brown butter, and it turns out nice and crispy and a little salty. I just love how these pancakes turn out, especially with the little sour berries in there, and then we'll have some sweet maple syrup on top. It just really is very good. So go ahead and add how many ever blueberries you like. And just take a little peek here and there to see if it's done to your liking. I like mine a little bit golden. I don't like them dark brown. And so we'll give it a good flip. And let it cook on the other side. Probably about half the time that it took to cook on the other side. And if you have some butter in there that's burning, you can just pat that up with a paper towel because you don't want to get the burnt butter on your pancake. Okay, so it's ready, and we'll pop it on a plate. And then with that extra butter that you reserved, that half a tablespoon of brown butter, go ahead and put that right on top. I know this is a lot of butter, but it's okay once in a while. And now for the maple syrup. And as I mentioned, the best part are those little edges with the little sour blueberry and the sweet maple syrup you will love. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all have a beautiful day.